What is going on, mga Repa peeps? Today in this video, I am going to tell you and share with you the things or items that beginner snowboards like us, we're still considered beginners, okay? It's still our second season right now as of 2026. So I'm going to share with you the items or things that beginner snowboarders need to buy. Need to buy for if they want to be serious in snowboarding, and then if they really want to start and then spend less on snowboarding gears or items. So watch until the end so that you'll see everything that we or I will be suggesting. So find the one that is thicker. So this one, you could wear a thicker hip guard. I got this suggestion, and I also saw this from our friend Wally Kapalad, or what's his snowboard snow syndicate. That's his Instagram account. So yeah, wear the thick ones because once you fall, the impact is lesser. I experienced that when I had hard falls compared to because before we used to have thinner hip guards, and then when we fell, like a hard fall, oh god, it was so painful. But this one, every time we fall, because even until now, our second season, it's still our second season, we still fall, but the impact is lesser, so less pain also. Yes, and yes. So it is worth it because you don't want to be sharing anything from the person who used the old hip guard. Base layer. So a base layer is of course, it will keep you warm, not 100% though, but at least it will add up to the warmth of your body when you are out there snowboarding. Expensive base layer? No, you don't have to. There are a lot of affordable base layers out there. Yes. So Costco base layers are good enough, affordable. I would say, yeah, it's cheaper than compared to other brands. So I'm not sponsored by Costco, but I like what Costco is doing right now. They sell very affordable, and it's merino also. So just go to your local Costco shops or warehouses, then search for the base layer. The prices are great. Well, I don't have any specific brand that I personally use. As long as I find, well, we found it in Costco. I didn't even care. We didn't even care about the brand because we know that it's merino, and then it's more affordable, more cost effective, and then we have been using it until now. It's 2 years already, and then it gave us good warmth in our body. Yeah, you could wear regular thermal shirts. There are a lot of thermal shirts out there. The most important thing is it will help you keep warm while you're wearing jacket and while you are outside. No, you don't have to buy any specific special shirt to wear underneath your base layer. Yes, you could you can wear a regular jersey type undershirt, because these jersey type shirts, just based on my experience, these are this these doesn't absorb sweat, so it tends to dry off, and then you wouldn't be feeling cold because it doesn't absorb any sweat. Layering, yeah, it is more important, layering. So you just need to layer one, two, three plus a jacket. Yeah. So the layering there is just your undershirt, which is the jersey type or a dry fit shirt. Next is your base layer, and then your jacket. That's all. Based on experience, we already feel warm with that kind of layering. No, you don't have to. You don't need a very expensive snowboard jacket. There are a lot of jackets out there. If you have your own jacket, the one that you're wearing right now, just make sure it's a bit big. So if you're medium, wear a large. Just use that. That's enough. You don't have to buy expensive ones. Yeah, so your jacket needs to be slightly bigger because it will give you freedom to move. You have space to move, because if your jacket is quite tight, it's so hard to move, especially down here, because snowboarding involves a lot of movements on your mid part of your body until your legs or foot. So what happens if your jacket is too tight? It's gonna be very difficult for you to move. That's all. Regular winter jacket. Yeah, you could. You could, just for a start. You don't have to buy any extra jackets anymore. That's what I've said. As long as it's a bit loose on you, like one size up, that's enough. You don't have to be buying those expensive jackets or new jackets. Oh, yes, of course, because we found a lot of good deals in Facebook Marketplace, but then after that, we realized that we need better ones, so we just sold them. But yeah, you could buy from Facebook Marketplace.